Welcome, explorers. Today, we embark on a journey to the mysterious Sentinel Islands, home to the last uncontacted tribe in the world, the Sentinelese. Join me as we delve into the enigmatic world of this isolated tribe, their unique way of life, and the challenges they face in preserving their cultural heritage. Dive into the Forbidden Zone, the restricted area surrounding North Sentinel Island. Explore the Indian government's efforts to protect the Sentinelese from external influences and the delicate balance between preserving their isolation and respecting their right to autonomy. As we peer into the mysteries of North Sentinel Island, we confront the complex challenges faced by the Sentinelese in the modern world. From potential threats of diseases to debates about maintaining their isolation, the controversies surrounding this untouched paradise unfold. The Sentinelese have lived in isolation for generations, untouched by the diseases that have shaped the rest of the world. The introduction of even common illnesses could be devastating, as their immune systems lack exposure to external pathogens. We delve into the delicate balance between preserving their isolation and safeguarding their health. The debate rages on: should the Sentinelese be left entirely undisturbed, or do we, as a global society, have an ethical responsibility to intervene in the face of potential dangers? We explore the moral quandaries surrounding the Sentinelese and the ethical considerations of respecting their wish for isolation versus our duty to ensure their well-being. Anthropologists grapple with understanding the Sentinelese from a distance. The limited knowledge about their language, culture, and customs raises questions about how much we should interfere in the preservation of their unique way of life. Join us as we navigate the fine line between curiosity and cultural preservation. The modern world exerts external pressures on the Sentinelese, from environmental changes to geopolitical influences. We examine how these factors impact their isolated existence and explore the ongoing efforts to strike a balance between allowing them autonomy and addressing the challenges that encroach upon their island. The Indian government has implemented strict guardian policies, declaring North Sentinel Island and its surrounding waters as a restricted zone, protecting the Sentinelese from unwanted intrusions while still respecting their autonomy and desire for isolation. Beyond protecting the Sentinelese, conservation initiatives extend to the preservation of the island's delicate ecosystem. Lifestyle. The Sentinelese tribe builds two types of houses: large huts with an elevated floor and partitioned quarters for communal living, and small huts with open sides. Their tools and weapons are rudimentary, and they rely on highly primitive practices for sustenance. Food habits. The Sentinelese derive their food mainly from two sources, the sea and the forest. They hunt animals using bows and arrows too. Their diet comprises coconuts, usually deposited by explorers and collected by the tribe from the shallow waters around the shores, small birds, and other fruits from the forest. They also rely on seafood, including fish and turtles. Despite their isolation, the Sentinelese have demonstrated a remarkable ability to sustain themselves using the resources available on their island. It's important to note that any attempt to contact or visit them is illegal and can be dangerous, both for visitors and for the tribe, who have no immunity to many common diseases. MV Primrose shipwreck is a good example for that. The MV Primrose, carrying a crew of 31 members, 21 of whom were Hong Kong Chinese, foundered on a coral reef off North Sentinel Island. The ship was unable to free itself from the reef, and the crew found themselves stranded on the ship, with the island's hostile inhabitants nearby. The Sentinelese tribe, known for their hostility towards outsiders, reacted as they had done in the past. They have been known to attack approaching vessels, whether the boats were intentionally visiting the island or simply ran aground on the surrounding coral reef. The crew of the MV Primrose were fortunate to escape unharmed. Most past efforts to contact the Sentinelese have been met with hostility. In fact, in 2006, 2 fishermen were killed after they approached the island. Today, it is illegal to go within 5 kilometers of the island. The Sentinelese's wish to remain uncontacted is respected, as contact could have tragic consequences due to their vulnerability to diseases. The Sentinel Islands, a testament to the diverse tapestry of human civilization, reminding us that even in our interconnected world, some wish to remain untouched. Thanks for joining me in this eye-opening exploration of the Sentinel Islands, where tradition meets modernity and the last uncontacted tribe guards its secrets against the tides of time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our planet's hidden treasures. It's your channel Pixel City. Connect with us on social media and let's continue this journey together. Until next time, fellow explorers, keep seeking, keep discovering.